Let Hoosier Pattern's 3D sand printing bring your designs to life. With our state-of-the-art 3D sand printing process, we can design and print geometrically complex molds, bypassing tooling fabrication to create a core or mold that drastically reduces lead times and improves your bottom line. Our on-demand sand management system distributes resin onto thin layers of specially engineered sand that develops accurate and uniform cores. This innovative process gives you the ability to easily scale production volumes in just days instead of weeks or months, saving you thousands of dollars. Our highly trained and detailed employees go to great lengths to ensure every mold meets our rigorous quality control standards. We institute a two-check system where an employee and an auditor verifies that every core passes our inspection to ensure the highest quality of molds and cores are being met. From the initial inspection of our 3D model to our conscientious extraction process, along with our step-by-step accountability grid program, all of these steps play a vital role in the success of our 3D sand molds and cores. We are Hoosier Pattern.